Hi guys, it's Ryan Souza. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm bringing you a District Green Metallic S5 2021. This one's got the blackout package. So that honeycomb grille is all blacked out. This car is also equipped with the S Sport package. So that's going to be the red brake calipers and the Sport diff. We also got the hot exhaust pipes added to it. So that's going to be the Sport exhaust package. Smash that like button, guys. Let me know what you think about this color in the comments. District Green Metallic. I'm going to show you the interior in a second. This is a Prestige, and they option the warm weather package, so the seats are going to be different than the standard S seats that you would normally see. Alright guys, we'll start with the door cards, the aluminum inlays, the Bang & Olufsen, all the controls there. And then here would be that seat. So normally you'd have the diamond Napa leather. This is the warm weather package seat, so it's going to give you ventilated seats. This can also extend out. There's Audi's digital dash. Everything's all customizable and S Sport vision. Continued with the aluminum inlays. Little cubby there, all your climate control. There's your center 10.1 inch screen, that's all touch. And again, here's another look at that seat. This would be the warm weather seat with the ventilation option. And then we got the back seats, the door card. Then in the back here, heated seats, USBs. Good amount of room back here. With the Sportback, get that kind of fastback hatch, and even when the sunroof's open, as you can see, just hovers right above that. I wanted to show you guys real quick what's under the hood. You got a turbocharged V6. A lot of people will say, hey, is my car missing something? That's how they come. So there's no cover for that. That's about 360 horsepower, all-wheel drive. Definitely a fun car.